Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I created this beautiful dessert table using Dollar Tree products. So Dollar Tree has some really awesome, entertaining items. They have all these cute miniature dessert and appetizer bowls and plates and spoons and all sorts of things. So it's really a great idea if you have to plan a party to check out the Dollar Tree first, and I'm sure you will find some awesome items to use. And they even look fancy. You don't have to spend a ton of money to make your dessert or appetizer table or display to be super expensive when you can shop at Dollar Tree and be able to create an amazing look for half the price. In creating my Dollar Tree dessert table, I decided to go with a pink and silver theme. I just thought it looked really pretty and elegant. So here I'm taking two of the bowls, turning one upside down, so that way I can give it a little bit of dimension to the dessert. And then next, I placed down some Celebrate napkins, and that gave it some extra color and design, as well as those really cool plates that are plastic. They're white with silver lining, but they look way more expensive. Here I'm taking two small candlesticks and placing a plate on top. As you can see, it's a little wobbly, so I did take some hot glue and did glue the tops of the candlesticks to the bottom of the plate, and it definitely worked out so much better because I was afraid it was going to topple over once guests took the desserts. And then here I took some wine glasses that were taller than the candlesticks and glued that as well, and that gave it a really cool tiered effect for the desserts to sit on. And then last but not least, I took a vase and placed some flowers inside and gave it that cute little effect and some height as well and dimension in the corner. And that's what I used to make my Dollar Tree dessert table. The desserts that are displayed here I will show in another video, but they turned out really good. I think it's so amazing that you can find Dollar Tree mini appetizer and dessert items to use to make these desserts and make them look classy and elegant. And it's so inexpensive. My friends and family that came over could not believe this all came from the Dollar Tree. Well, I hope you liked this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!